Yeah, we filming?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, we're filming. Right, should we count down from 5? Ready? 3. I should start this as well. Ready? 5, 4. This will be on my own. 3, 2, 1. There we go! Keep filming. There's some exciting ones. Where are they? Where do I hit the switch for that?
Right.
There.
Right, Chloe, you turn the lights on.
Yeah.
The only thing is you won't be able to see if I see anything.
Yeah, okay, we'll go outside.
Yeah.
I'm doing my first Christmas light
Turn them off.
switch. Helen's filming, by the way. She doesn't want to be on.
Just wait for a second.
You don't want to be on camera, do you? No, okay, you think so.
But don't put it outside.
Ready? Can we film? Yeah.
Go on then, go and put them upstairs quick.
Hit it! Oh. We're ready?
Chloe.
Yeah?
No.
No? No?
Yeah.
No! Yes! Oh! Look at them! See them ones? Hang on, you've done quite a bit actually, haven't you? It's actually quite impressive. Can we have one final shot of me near the lights? There we go. And cut.